Hi guys and welcome back po sa Tarot Page Philippines. So, gawa tayong energy check para po sa mga may mga sun, moon, and rising na Aries. So, subscribe, like, and share. So, we're using the Wisdom of the Oracle. Kung gusto nyo mag-purchase ng ganitong deck, you can click yung ating sponsored link. Magagamit nyo kasi may book naman siya. Aries. So, we have here is number 23. Peace. Literal, medyo magiging magulo talaga yung energy mo because there will be some confrontation and some changes na dadalhin ang universe sa life mo. Now, huwag kang maligaga kung may mga ganitong ginagawang universe. The reason behind this is because everything na kapag magkakaroon tayo ng mga changes sa life natin, magulo talaga. Because change, unpredictable yan. But what the card is saying is, you need to go with the flow. Hayaan mo na you will be going through the process. Because at the end of the day, sabi nga, lahat ng ilog, dumidiretso yan sa dagat. So I hope nakatulong yung reading. Those are for guidance, that's for guidance purposes. Use your free will wisely. And okay, don't forget, subscribe, like, and share. So I'll see you in our next video.